Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to reach level 3 on Reels on Facebook. Without further ado, let's get started. Now here we will see the current level of my Facebook account. As you can see, it's on level 1 since I'm just starting. Now first, you need to do these steps enable for you to reach the level 2. Now after doing that, as you can see, I reached the level 2. Now here are the steps for you to reach the level 3. Just do these things. You need to explore this advanced tool. And make sure to complete these steps for you to reach the level 3. And then that's pretty much of it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.